Can I ask you something? Have you downloaded ChatGPT, opened it, and immediately thought, what am I supposed to type? If that's you, I want to tell you something. You're not the only one. In fact, I think this blank box scares more beginners than the technology itself, because nobody wants to feel like they're asking stupid questions. But here's the good news. There are no stupid questions. So today I'm going to show you exactly how to use ChatGPT step by step as if we've just opened it together for the very first time. No slang, no complicated prompts, no experience needed, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly what to type, what to expect, and how to start using ChatGPT with confidence. And if you're new here, my name is Laiken and I help people who feel intimidated by technology to learn simple digital skills using free and affordable online tools. If you've ever felt left behind by technology, you're in exactly the right place. So quick question, have you already created a ChatGPT account? Go ahead and comment yes or no below. So what actually is ChatGPT? Imagine having somebody sitting beside you 24 hours a day who you can ask almost anything. Need help writing an email? Ask ChatGPT. Need dinner ideas? Ask ChatGPT. Need to understand something confusing? Guess what? Ask ChatGPT. Need content ideas? Yes, ask ChatGPT. It's like having a patient assistant who never gets angry at you, never gets tired of your questions, and here is where most beginners go wrong. They think ChatGPT only works if you know fancy prompts. That simply isn't true. Let's open ChatGPT together. You'll notice one big text box. Right there, that's it. That little box is where everything starts. You don't need special commands, you don't need technical language. You simply need to type your question just like you would text a friend. For example, explain AI like I'm 12 years old, or write a friendly birthday message. Or, and this is my personal favorite, I have these ingredients in my kitchen, give me 3 recipes to make for dinner. That's all. Now let me show you something that changed everything for me. Instead of asking, write an email, try saying, I'm sending an email to my boss asking for leave next Friday. Make it polite but friendly. Notice the difference? The more context you give, the better ChatGPT can help you. Think of it like asking a real person. The clearer your question is, the better your answer will be. Now let me know down in the comments, what was the first thing that you asked ChatGPT to help you with? Or what will be the first thing that you ask ChatGPT to help you with? Leave it down in the comments because I would love to help you. Here are 5 things beginners can use ChatGPT for today. Writing an email, a shopping list, meal plans, learning new skills, planning holidays. Simple, practical, everyday tasks. Now, can ChatGPT make mistakes? Absolutely. And I think it's important to know that. Sometimes it gets things wrong. Sometimes it misunderstands. And that's why I always encourage people to think of ChatGPT as a helpful assistant, not a replacement for your own judgment. It's okay to double check important information. Learning how to ask better questions and evaluate answers is part of becoming confident with AI. Remember, the goal isn't to become an AI expert overnight. It's simply becoming comfortable asking questions. Every question you ask builds confidence. Every click teaches you something new. Today we learned what ChatGPT is, how to ask your first question, why simple prompts work, why context improves your answers, and 5 practical ways to start using it today. See, not nearly as scary as it first seemed. So if this video helped to make ChatGPT feel just a little bit less intimidating, I'd love you to hit that like button and then subscribe to my channel, because every week I share simple beginner-friendly technology tutorials designed to help you build confidence with free and affordable online tools. So comment the word class down below and then check your social media inbox, because I'm going to send you access to my beginner-friendly training video that walks you through it step by step. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you in the next one. Remember, confidence doesn't come before the click, it comes because of the click.